Food Part 2. Unsurprisingly, I could not fit all the dishes I wanted to introduce to you in one video. So, today I'll be introducing more Syrian dishes in this one. I mean, we all know that Middle Eastern food is varied and delicious. But even amongst Middle Eastern countries, Syrian food is revered to be some of the best, if not the best overall. In my last video about Syrian dishes, I introduced some dishes for which Aleppo and Damascus are famous. So if you haven't seen that yet, I highly recommend you go check it out. After or before you watch this one, it's completely up to you. Welcome back to Speak Real Arabic, everyone! I am your host, Ozzy, from Damascus, Syria. Before I jump into today's video, as usual, I need to do some promotional YouTube stuff, so you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified on all of our new videos, you can ring the bell icon. Now, let's jump into some more dishes, and one of my personal favorite is tabbouleh. Now, there is some debate about the origins of this dish. Lebanese and Syrian people often argue about who invented this dish. As a Syrian, I feel like I have to claim it in the name of Syria, and to be honest, so far, the best tabbouleh I've had has been in Damascus. So I guess the evidence points there, Tabbouleh is actually a type of salad that is made with bulgur, fresh parsley, and mint, or nana, we say in Arabic. They're mixed together with some cucumber and tomato, and garnished with olive oil, lemon, and garlic. It is known for its unique zesty taste, as the bulgur is usually soaked in water, salt, and lemon rather than cooked, so it carries a sour heavy palate. For such sweet people, we do love some sourness every now and then, Okay, that is tabbouleh. Another dish I kind of feel like I have to mention when talking about Syrian dishes is shakriye. If I don't, they might revoke my Syrian citizenship. There's also some debate about shakriye. Damascans, or Shamis as we call them, shwam, another word, as Syrians call them, they like to claim that we invented this. However, people from Hama might disagree. It has also been claimed by Halabiyin, which is people from Aleppo, and Hamasne, which is people from Homs. Now, I'm not gonna take side, but shakriye is a dish that is very close to my heart. It's basically lamb stew, but instead of broth, it's cooked in yogurt and seasoned with parsley, garlic, and mint. And trust me about this, if you have not had this delicious and, by the way, extremely nutritious meal yet, do yourself a favor, Google it and make it right now. Seriously, go, right now, I'll wait. No, it's okay, I'll continue. Shakriye is usually served with some rice or as its own dish. So, last but definitely not least for this video, and this is not exactly a dish on its own, but it is literally illegal to mention Syrian dishes without mentioning it, is hummus. Now, hummus is a very, very controversial dish that I'm sure you've heard about. It's almost impossible to be an adult anywhere in the world and not have heard of hummus. It is a delicious dish made of chickpea that tastes amazing on its own, or you can also use it as a side dish or as a dip for veggies, chips, or what have you. My personal favorite, and I eat this all the time, is hummus with carrots. Trust me, it is amazing. But here's the problem. This is the only dish in these videos that is claimed not only by Middle Easterners, but also by Greeks. Yeah, that's right. The Greek, or as we say in Arabic, Yunanis, claim that they had invented hummus. Which is very weird because hummus is an Arabic word meaning roasted. I mean, come on, listen to it. Hummus. This is like one of the most Arabic words to ever exist. Now, I'm a little bit of a nerd, so I did a deep dive on the internet and found some evidence that hummus actually dates back all the way to ancient Egypt, or Masr, as we say in Arabic. Apparently, ancient Egyptians used to have breakfast consisting of hummus and mead, or what we say now, beer. They believed that hummus gave you superhuman energy. By the way, they were not completely wrong. Hummus has incredible nutritional value. It is very high in protein, magnesium, and potassium. We always used to start our day with hummus and some olive oil. It is also the secret to our amazing skin and how we look young forever. So, that was the second part of Syrian dishes. There are a ton more of them. So if you want me to talk more about Syrian dishes, their origin and how awesome they are, just let me know in the comments. I mean, I'm gonna move on to other topics, but I can always come back. Again, thank you so much guys for watching. I mean, why don't you take a second to hit that like button, so I can be more motivated to make more hummus for you. I mean more videos for you. And please let me know if there's anything you'd like to know about Syrian culture. I am your host, Ozzy, and I'll see you all next time.